In this tutorial, we are going to design an app which is completely different from what we have covered so far. We are going to use the user interface of your Android device to design an app which looks like this figure. We want the title to say "Do not touch me," and also the image, the background image on our device to be this picture. And what it has to do is that when we touch the screen, we want our device to shake and also play a sound. Very basic app, which is going to be our first app in this series. So to do this one, we need the image, which I can find it here, and also we need the sound file, which is here. So to get the image, just click. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to have the image here. So I right click on the image, and I'm going to say save picture as, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. So I'm going to call it no touch. I'm going to download this one, but to download this one, go to Chrome and do it, not on Internet Explorer, because Internet Explorer is going to just play the sound. So I'm going to copy the link, then I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to paste, and you just heard, the sound. So to download the sound, I'm going to save audio as, and I'm going to do it again on the desktop, but this one has already been downloaded, so I don't need to save it anymore. But probably you don't have it, so go ahead and save it. Now that we do have these two, we can go ahead and design our app. So again, remember the title of the screen says "Do not touch me." Then this is the background image, and when I click on this image, it has to shake, and also it has to play the sound. The only thing I have to warn you is that I cannot show you the vibration of my device because I'm using the emulator, but the sound, you can hear that it really works. So as usual, we're going to start a new project, and let's call it do underscore not underscore touch me. Do not touch me. So this is going to be our app. The first thing, I'm going to change the title here. So I'm going to go and change the text to do not touch me. Now I need to have a button here which covers the whole screen, with the background image to be the image that we just downloaded. And when I click on the button, it has to vibrate, and also it has to play the sound. So I need a button. I'm going to make the height to fill parent, and I'm going to make the width to be parent. Now the text here, I'm going to erase it. So there is no text on the button. Now I have to change the background image. To change the background image, you see one of the properties of the button says image, which is here, image, which is none at the moment. So I click on this one. There is no uploaded file, so I'm going to upload the file that I downloaded on the desktop, and it says no touch. So I'm going to select that one, then I'm going to click OK. Now you will see the image appears here. Now what I have to do is that I have to go to media and drag and drop a sound block here. This sound block is the one that I can use to play the sound and also to vibrate the device. I don't need to change the name, nothing, so I can just go and start writing the code for our app. Now when the button is clicked, now I can use click when I click on the button, or I'm going to use a new block which is called touchdown. When you touch the button, I want the device to play the sound and also to vibrate. Now the vibration is under the sound which is here. So sound 1 dot vibrate, and let's set the vibration to be 500 milliseconds. We also need to play the sound, but one thing we forgot is the sound block has a source file. What media file to play? I haven't uploaded the media file, so I'm going to say upload it. Click on upload file, choose the file, and then I'm going to click on Pew. And then I'm going to say OK. Now you can see that it says the source file is pew.mp3. Now I go back to the blocks, and this time again I go to the sound 1, and this time I'm going to say play. And that was all we have to do. When you touch down the button, the sound is going to play and the device is going to vibrate. I cannot display the vibration because I'm using emulator, but I can show you when the device is playing the sound. So I'm going to go to emulator. This is my design, do not touch me, and this is the image. So now when I click on it, you can hear that it played the sound. And if you had the real device, you could feel the vibration on your device.